Hey viewers, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're turning some of the world's most viral snacks into epic, delicious cakes. You heard that right, Doritos, Oreos, and even Cheetos. I'll show you how to turn each one into something sweet, crunchy, and completely satisfying. So grab your whisk, relax, and let's make some cake magics. First, let's prepare our snack bases. Listen to that. We're starting with Oreos. Classic, rich, and chocolatey. Then, Cheetos. Bold, cheesy, and totally unexpected. And finally, Doritos for that salty, sweet surprise. Crush them gently until they're fine and crumbly. Let's turn these crumbs into something magical. In a bowl, add a little flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Pour in melted butter, slowly, and mix until smooth. Each snack gets its own bowl, its own story. Just listen to that sound, silky and thick. First up, our Oreo cake. Pour the rich chocolatey mix into a tin. The crushed Oreos blend perfectly with the cocoa base, giving us that fudgy, deep flavor everyone loves. Smooth it out with the spatula, nice and slow. Hear that soft glide? That's perfection. Now for the wild card, Doritos. Mix your Dorito crumbs into a sweet vanilla batter. It sounds crazy, but the saltiness balances the sweetness beautifully. Every fold of the spoon makes the sound of tiny golden flakes. Pour it in and spread evenly. This one's gonna be the most surprising. Time for the boldest layer, Cheetos. We're adding fine crumbs into a creamy, cheesy sweet batter. It's smooth, soft, and smells amazing, buttery and sweet. This one's going to bake into a caramelized golden top. Gently pour it in and listen to that slow drip. While our cakes bake, just listen to that hum, the sound of transformation. Crispy snacks turning into warm, fluffy cakes. It's patience, peace, and a little bit of science. We let them bake until the tops are golden and slightly crisp. And there they are, 3 layers of pure creativity. Listen, that's a good sign. Let them cool for a few minutes. The scent right now, sweet, buttery, and just a hint of snack nostalgia. Now it's time to bring them together. Start with Oreo on the bottom, Doritos in the middle, Cheetos on top. In between, a smooth vanilla frosting, creamy and light. Spread it gently and listen to that soft swoosh. Stack, smooth, and swirl until it's one epic cake tower. For the final touch, sprinkle a little bit of each snack on top. Crushed Oreos for texture, Doritos for color, and Cheetos for crunch. It's the perfect blend of fun and flavor. Every bite will surprise you.
You know, every snack has its story. From the crunch of a chip to the cream of an Oreo, or that cheeky cheese dust from a Cheeto. Each one started as a quick bite, but today, they became something completely new. It's amazing, isn't it? How just a bit of creativity and a lot of sound can turn the ordinary into something unforgettable. If you felt that little crunch of joy with me today, you're already part of the story.
The best moment of all? Let's taste. Crunch? Sweet, salty, and buttery. The Oreo is rich, Doritos bring a golden crunch, and Cheetos surprisingly sweet. Who knew snacks could taste so good as cake? And that's it. 3 viral snacks, 1 epic cake. If you enjoyed these sounds and this crazy delicious idea, tap that like button softly. Subscribe for more relaxing creative bakes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it sweet and keep it satisfying.